In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch edit note properties in Obsidian. We'll set up a quick workflow with the Data View plugin so you can surface the notes you care about, see their properties at a glance, and move through edits efficiently. Start by opening Obsidian. Head down to the bottom left corner and open Settings. We're going to use a community plugin, so in the sidebar, select Community Plugins. Community plugins are third-party add-ons. Make sure you're comfortable with that and always review them before enabling. Click Browse to open the plugin marketplace, then type Data View into the search field. When you see it, click Install. Once the installation completes, click Enable. That turns the plugin on so you can use its features immediately. Close Settings and return to a note where you want to build your batch edit view. A fresh scratch note works great for this. In the note, create a Data View code block by typing 3 backticks on a new line, the word Data View, and then pressing Enter. You'll close the block later with another line of 3 backticks. Make sure you're using backticks, not apostrophes. They're usually found above the Tab key on most keyboards. Inside the code block, start by creating a simple table of the notes and their tags. Type tablefile.name file.tags from followed by the folder you want to target. Replace the placeholder with the exact folder path in your vault. If your folder name has spaces, wrap it in quotes, otherwise plain text is fine. This instantly lists all notes in that folder, showing each file's name and tags, which are pulled from the notes YAML properties and inline tags. To narrow the list to just what you need, add a filter line using contains. On a new line in the same code block, type where contains file.tags your tag. Replace your tag with the tag you want to work with. This filters the table so you're only seeing notes that match. If you organize by multiple tags, you can add more conditions with and/or to refine your view further. When you exit the code block with 3 backticks, Data View renders the table. You now have a live, always up-to-date snapshot of note names and tags in the folder you chose. Use this view to quickly identify which notes need property changes and then open them to make your edits. As you update tags or other properties, return to this note and watch the table update automatically, keeping you on track as you work through your batch changes.